Good afternoon, everybody, and once again, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll do a short lab which will probably show you how to use Kafka Connect along with Minio. So we'll use Docker to spin up, Kafka, Zookeeper, Schema Registry, and Minio, and we'll have some pre-populated topics with some data. And the goal is to leverage the Kafka Connect S3Sync and see how we can dump those data files straight into our Minio buckets. So the first part we'll see how to dump data into JSON files, and the second part we'll also see how to custom partition it, while dumping data. Meaning, let's say you wanna, use year, month, day, hour level partition. So how to do that? So before we begin the lab, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any particular update. Let's get with the labs. All right. So hopefully you guys are seeing my screen right now. Okay, I have a docker compose.yml file over here. As you can see, we will need three images. One, of course, is the Minio, and the second one is we need fast data dev. This image, makes it easier to do POC, spin things up locally. It comes with Kafka, Zookeeper, Kafka Connect, and all the stuff, right? So first, what I'll do is I'll come into the directory and then I'll say docker compose up --build -t. This will start the containers running in the local background. Once you have that, now let me close these containers. Head over to Chrome, localhost 3040 and localhost 9000. Localhost 9000 is where you will see the Minio admin. So if you are prompted with the username password, the username is admin and the password would be password. And here you can see I see a warehouse, a default bucket that over here. Now coming to this localhost 3040, this usually takes about a couple of minutes to start, but in case if it did not start, you can simply restart the container. So as you can see right now, the containers are still in the starting state. So let me pause, and once these are completely up and running, I'll resume the video. Looks like, it's now up and running. So now let's learn this, okay? So head over to the Kafka Connect, click on new, and then click on, before that I wanna show you, you go to localhost 3040, go to topics. See, we have this topic called New York yellow taxi trip data. You have some data that we can probably learn, right? So now let's head over to Kafka Connect, and then on the sync side, choose Amazon S3. Now also, I'm forwarding those port number 9000, 9001, and 8080 using servo. So here you can see, so SSH -R, I'm gonna forward these port, and then I'll be using this DNS name, abc.servo.net. So let's do the first exercise, right? So say name, you can give any name that you like. Connector class, we'll use io.confluent.connect.s3.s3SinkConnector. After that, this one over here you will tell the connector what topic you want to listen to. In this case, I'm using New York yellow taxi trip data. Format, I want to have the data into the JSON format. And then here you see these are the configuration for our S3 access, secret, and the endpoint. Okay, you can use the container name also, or the you know what I mean, right? So that you can do that. And then here also I define my AWS access, secret, and the endpoint. So let's see if it works. Copy this, paste this one here. Before that, I don't have any data on Minio. Okay, so let me click on create, and here you can see the sync has now been created, meaning it's gonna read the data from this topic over here, and then it will insert into our Minio buckets. Again, this could take a little time. Oh, it was fast. So topics, here you can see a partition, and then I see all these JSON files. Lovely, right, man? Worked fine, right? You can download it just to show you. I'm just gonna quickly try my best. It's a lot of data points there. So if I can also here, this is the best I can do here. Hopefully made sense, right? These are all the JSON documents inside that. Perfect. Now the next, I want to show the partition part, right? So we're gonna be using again probably the same one, New York yellow taxi trip data. So what I will do is before that, I will come to my Kafka Connect SinkConnector. I'm gonna delete this, and then I'll go to my warehouse, and then again delete this as well, so that I can show you from scratch. Okay. All right. So now the partition part, right? So everything remains the same. The only thing that we add is these items over here. So let's kind of review that. Partitioner class is io.confluent.connect.storage.partitioner.time based partitioner. Path format: year is equal to YYY, month is equal to MM, day is equal to DD, and hour is equal to HH. Partition duration, we provide that in the millisecond. So now what would happen is it will take the current time and it will partition that. So let's see, new S3 sync, and then I'm gonna create this, and the sync has now been created. Now in a couple of seconds we'll see some data points coming into our Minio. So I will refresh. Here you can see I see that data, that there you go, year, month, day, hour, and there you go. Lovely. So it's that easy. So I hope this exercise was informative. It's a simple, but it lets you do things locally. So this exercise shows you, okay, if you have Kafka and all that stack up, how you can use the S3 sync to dump data into our Minio buckets. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any further questions, list your question in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.